In the past, local investors has been supported basically by Italian banks, so that Italian banks now are quite busy with the management of the past, while foreign banks are quite interested in entering into the market. As an example, the deal that has been executed by Goldman Sachs supporting Morgan Stanley in the acquisition of the Auchan portfolio. That represents the first deal on the market on the loan side. Now they are making a lot of money, and and they are very interested in the market, but they are they pay a lot of attention to the credit rating of the borrower. So that they prefer obviously to support foreign investors, international investors that has a strong credit risk, a strong credit rating, and it is easiest for them to evaluate real estate project supported by a borrower with a good credit risk. It is better, so that but I think it represents also an opportunity, because now basically in Italy the market of local investors disappeared during the last year, but it will come back in the next 2 years. Hopefully, once the Italian banks will be ready to grant new loans, it will be a market that will start up again, and it will have an impact also on the cap rate for yielding assets, and now it could represent an opportunity for an investor to entering with aggressive cap rate on yielding projects, assuming that in the next 2-3 years an important yield compression will take place.
The CMBS business restarted, hopefully more carefully, and this sector looked for income. That was something that Giovanni clarified before. So, for example, even if Cassa Depositi e Prestiti in reality doesn't need a particular financing, but all of these projects will need development financing. And so today we see that there is by far an increasing interest from foreign lenders to income, different level, corporates, government risks, something like, while probably the development financing is still struggling, and hopefully this will be a next step. But we are now seeing some very weak signals of a more positive approach to development, and as a company we also help developers in letting projects, both in the retail sector and in the office sector. And so actually, respect a couple of years ago, we see that there is a change, but development financing will definitely be still subdued.
Okay, good.
And so this is maybe an opportunity for international investors, investors and lenders, if we will be able to see that the market changed, that the market became more transparent, and that institutions like Cassa Depositi e Prestiti are able to manage, for example, the planning risk, and to create a package that is ready to be financed for the market risk, not for what arrived before.